living for the weekend.
Jackson, your extender pole broke.
Right. How you doing?
Alright.
Where are we going?
We're going up to my lake house and
Lake Albert.
yep, we're gonna see the pink lake.
Take the drone up.
Yep. Have a bit of fun down there. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we got a bit of something going on here. Oh, we got Jackson Samuel over here. You know who it is. It's actual Jackson. We got actual Adam over here, bro. Oh, I think I got that. Maybe.
Come here. Come here. This. What's this?
Let's see if we can get him in. 10 hours of cow sounds. Oh, you want to, but can't you hear your friends?
Really? Yes. Yes. We're at here. What's this place called? Pink Lake.
We are at the pink lake.
I mean, it doesn't look that pink, if I'm honest.
Getting the commie.
Getting the shot. Get the board out and skate on it. It looks a bit sketch, but well, it's pretty much sand. No, it might work for a shot. Give it a go. It looks like it's a bit harder over there, I'm not sure. I don't think this is going to work. It might. Oh, yeah, it's a bit soft. It's pretty hard right here. Probably gonna get sandal from our bearings, but we'll give it a go. Oh yeah, we've got the good camera as well, so we'll suss it. We'll give it a suss.
You could clickbait the video so hard and say skating on pink lake.
Alright, well that didn't work. Got so much sand in my bearings. But the pictures might have been good. Oh, what have you done?
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
What is that?
Your fresh Birkenstock.
The stocks. At least you don't wear the socks, mate.
You literally just not see it instead of a fat puddle.
No, I was just walking along. I was like,
follow, 'cause I'll be here for you. When you're feeling dry with the brittle lines, ocean calling, till that feeling dies, there's no one home, can't help falling. I'll be there for you. I'll be